This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the little Cars and Coffee over here at the markets at Shrewsbury. This is kind of cool. Nice early morning way to start out. Always fun to see some good rides here. Nice little 5.5. That's what's interesting, is that you come here, you're going to see a wide variation, and I like that. I like that a lot. You know, when you start seeing one or two cars, it's like, I want to see something a little bit different. Perfect with the Kragers. Nice. Not to give you Ford guys a little bit. Nice little GTCS.
Right here, I'll take
Lots of car talk going on, which is half the fun right here. Love the business coupes. Look at that line. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow.
So I joined, I rolled up to where they did meet.
All right.
You do the same. Take care of that little one. Cadillac motor.
All right, I'll let you get away with it because it's a Caddy. That is like the hot setup. What your Caddy?
It's a 79 Cadillac. Yeah.
Really? What's that, 500? No, that wouldn't be the 500. That'd be the 425, yeah. Jeez. Yeah, remember back in the day, the hot rod Lincoln always ran the Cadillac engine when they could get one. That was kind of neat.
That's it.
I'll forgive you.
Thank you. That's old school for us.
Oh, I know. And we make it a little bit nicer with the automatic and the air conditioning, but it's forgiven. She is sweet looking. I like it. Little Z28. Little Miata. And poke under the hood for the Z.
Yeah, if you guys do the pop-up, or if you do like car to pop-ups, we'll have to get together and just absolutely something. Yeah, I'll give you a
Nice.
photo.
All right. 57, we know. A little bit of modern muscle. A little RT. Right on through to the Volvo. There's the flea back there. Just wanted to get the Mustang, of course. A Mach 1. Mach 1. Mach 1. He likes a Mach 1. Oh, they're starting up. So what's cool is that you get to come here, hang out for a bit, prime your engines, and then go to the car shows. That's what I really like. That's that Camaro pulling out. I'll get it as she pulls by. Now here's what this shows, this Cars and Coffee is all about. The Camaro. Followed by the Tacoma. Followed by the Chevelle. Excuse me. The El Camino. Come on, folks, I just saw the grill at first. It's like, okay. Going on to the Tornado. I mean, this is great. Camaro. I love it. Just love it. The one thing which I really want to end the video with is something which I really want to pick up on. Besides showing off the flea, this is really cool. You want to add dimension to your shows? Try this idea. This is an RC track. Get your local RC people down. Oh, hang on a second. I gotta get the modern low power floors. This is really a lot of fun. A great way to do it, folks. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Cars and Coffee over here at the markets at Hanover. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you promote your shows on the calendar. I'll see you at the shows.